SportStop.com has been around since 2001, and we initially were dealing with a bunch of different sports, but over time we've focused down to do lacrosse. And in that, we just offer everything in lacrosse. We've been with OzLINK for 4 years. For most of that time, had just been using them for the verifying items as we put them in the box and pack them out. This summer, we finally decided to start using the mobile scanner because we found we were just wasting a lot of time every day. When an order gets to a packing station and the items weren't picked correctly, they were having to be put on a cart to be repicked. That slowed things down, and also it's really cut down on our error rate. I mean, our error rate has gone down 75 to 80%. The bulk of the orders are multi-item orders where there's usually, say, a handful or less items, and a person will go out and be picking a cart of 10 or 20 orders, but they'll be picking 2 orders. They use a handheld scanner, which takes them to a location, and then they pick the items and put them in the correct bin. And then those come back and are sent to a separate packing station. Our pick to tote process has been great. We started that this summer, and it's really sped up our packing time. So what happens is the picker scans each order, assigns them to a tote, and then as they're walking through the warehouse and following the scanner's directions and picking items, it identifies which tote to put it in. And so it's really helped when it gets to the packing station, then all the items for that order is in each tote. Whereas before, we used to have to sort through, say, 10 or 15 different orders worth of items at the packing station, and that's just eliminated all of that. OzLINK has been key in helping us with order accuracy. When we're picking, I mean, it's every item. When we have, say, a glove, when it comes in a couple different sizes and colors, each SKU does have its unique barcode. And so, if the picker's coming out and picking it, and they happen to pick a 12-inch glove instead of a 13-inch glove, the scanner will immediately say this isn't the right item, and they need to pick the other one. Getting people to use the barcode scanners for the mobile scanners for the first time has been incredibly easy. At Christmas time, we worked with a temporary agency and had the temps show up, and literally within 5 or 10 minutes, we were able to, for the first time, introduce them, show them the scanner, show them what to do, and they were off. And since everything's being scanned, we had total confidence that what they were picking and bringing back to the packing station was 100% accurate. OzLINK has been one of the best NetSuite add-ons that we've done to date. I find that they're always able to come in and understand what our operation really needs and have been able to adapt when necessary. It's been interesting over the years as we've been on it now for 4 years, that as we go on, we sometimes there's new features or there's new things that we find that OzLINK can help us with that we didn't even really anticipate. It's been all the little changes and all the little tweaks, I think, to the system that have added up to just a big difference in our operation.